Hello guys, welcome back with another video about map scale. What is the map scale? How to deal with map scale questions. How to convert units. Don't be confused. All of these questions will be covered in this tutorial video. So relax, we will break it all down step by step. Stay tuned. Let's begin with a global perspective by examining the world map. Our focus will shift westward to North America, specifically honing in on the United States. From there, we'll delve deeper to explore two selected locations in greater detail. Let's see here. There I'm going to choose Concord and Hagener as locations to check their distance. Here we are. Concord and Hagener. How to find the distance between them. So, what is the distance between Concord and Hagener? How can we measure it? Do we have a map scale? And how do we calculate the actual distance? These are the questions we'll explore and answer in today's lesson. Map scale is to show the relationship between distance on a map and the actual distance on the ground. Meet our two curious explorers. On the left, we have Question Guy, always full of questions and never afraid to ask. And on the right, it's Confident Buddy, the one who thinks he's got all the answers sometimes with a bit of attitude. Do we have units to be used? Of course. You are supposed to know how to convert between them. So, to convert between them, we supposed to memorize all of these. From centimeter to kilometer, we divide by 100,000. Backward, we multiply. Meter to kilometer, we divide by 1,000. Backward, we multiply. From centimeter to meter, we divide by 100. Backward, we multiply. Moving backward, we multiply. I will give you a simple technique to memorize all of these. From small to large units, we divide. Now, let's take the first example. On a map, the distance between 2 points is 5 centimeters. The map scale is 1 to 40,000. Find the actual distance between the points in kilometers. We start by arranging the data we have, starting with map, then land or actual distance. Then we put the ratio, which is 1 centimeter on map leads to 40,000 centimeter on the land. Now, because we have 5 centimeters distance between the 2 points on the map, we're going to put 5 under the map section. Then we put x to be found using the cross multiplication. What is the cross multiplication? Cross multiplication means you just draw an x and start multiplying. Cross multiplication means we multiply the numbers facing each other diagonally and dividing by the number stand alone facing x. X equals 40,000 times 5 over 1, which is 200,000 centimeter. They want the answer in km, so we divide by 100,000. The answer will be 2 kilometers. Now example 2. The actual distance between two places is 15 kilometers. The map scale is 1 to 30,000. Find the distance on the map between places. First thing to do is to convert 15 kilometers to centimeter. Why we converted the kilometer to centimeter? Because when we arrange, we should have the same unit as the map scale ratio. In the ratio, they didn't mention the unit. Means both are in centimeters. So 1 centimeter on map is 30,000 centimeters on land. Now we must arrange 1 under map and 30,000 under land. X under map and 1,500,000 under land. Now use the cross multiplication to find out the value of x. X equals 1,500,000 times 1 over 30,000. So x equals 50 centimeters. In other way, 15 kilometers on land will be 50 centimeters on map. Now, last example. Here we have a map drawn to a scale of 1 to 400,000. Find the actual distance in kilometers from Penrith to Middlesbrough. What if they didn't give us the distance between the places? How do we get it? Simply, we use a ruler to measure it on the map. Now, let's arrange the data as map and land in two categories. We put them in this way. X under land to be found. Of course, we find x using the cross multiplication. So x equals 8 times 400,000. X equals 3,200,000 centimeters. but they want the answer in kilometers. So we have to divide by 100,000. So x equals 32 kilometers. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.